I didn't want to work when I got this script, and I read it, and it was the funniest script I'd ever read in my life. So I quickly changed my tune, and we were on set 4 months later.
We've just been so worried about our son.
Hi.
Am I allowed to be here?
This is...
Hi. Mind if I touch your wiener?
What?
Your dog.
His parents hired me to bring him out of his shell.
Dance party.
How's the kid working out?
Away from her! Jen called me to tell me that I had gotten the job. She called me on the phone and said, "I'm so sorry, Andrew. You're not going to be able to go back to Harvard this semester." So yes, I did. This was the opportunity of a lifetime. I had to. And Harvard was also like, yeah, you have to go do it. No, it was a dream come true. This character is so close to me, and I care about him so much, and he cares so much.